So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when you connect your USB in your PC and it gives two drives, one your USB and then second one is UEFI underscore NTFS. So how you can remove this one and keep this one. So let's get started. First open CMD, and once you enter CMD you just have to type disk part and then enter, then type list disk and it will list all your disks. Now here you have to select your disk. For my case my USB is disk 1, so I'll type disk 1, select disk 1, just type this and hit enter, then type clean, hit enter, and then type create partition primary, hit enter, and then last type format fs ntfs quick. Once you do this, you will notice that your problem has been solved, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.